Hey guys, welcome. Today we are going to show you how to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So to begin, you just need to go to Pixlr. The link is going to be in the description. So to start with, you need to find the background for your thumbnail. For this, you just need to go to Google Images and search for any background you want. You can go for grunges or sunbursts, whatever suits your taste. I'm looking here at this blue one, yeah. So let's just go and click on it. Whichever one you like, you can go and select it and then wait for it to load so it's in high resolution, and then save image. You can save it wherever you like. I'm just gonna save it to desktop. Now just head back to Pixlr and open the image. Just find it in your files and open it. Now it's going to display it as your background. Let's just tidy up the workplace. Let's put these tabs to the side, and now we can work on the thumbnail. So let's go and find some PNG files to display on our thumbnail. These have to be PNG in format so that you can copy and paste it. Otherwise, because they have a transparent background, you can copy them and paste them on your original background. So here I'm just gonna go for a troll face, because why not? Let's just go ahead and save the image. You can go for whatever you like, whatever suits your thumbnail, doesn't really matter. So once you're done with that, just go to File, Open Image, and add the image onto your thing. Then you can select the image by Ctrl+A, press Ctrl+C to copy, and then head on over to Background, Ctrl+V to paste it. Now that you have pasted it, you can use the arrow tool to move it around, and then you can go to Edit and Free Transform to resize it, rotate it, and move it around for if you want to, whatever you want to do. Let's just put this back straight, and okay. Now just save it. So yeah, okay. Now that you've edited it, now we can add text. Just go to the text icon, click on it, and the box appears. You can write whatever you want in the box. I'm just gonna write how to add a thumbnail. Go on text and you can find whatever text you want. Let's go with something bold. You can increase the size, use different colors by the gradient mixer, and yes, let's just now you can just go and center align it or whatnot, and that's going to be it. You can click on the select tool again, reposition your text, and then go ahead and find something else to add onto your thumbnail. Note that it has to be a PNG file. Again, it is absolutely necessary for it to be a PNG file. Just go ahead with whatever you want on your thumbnail. I'm gonna get this, so I'm just gonna save image and then head on over back to Pixlr. Go to File and open this image now. This image is going to open, and do the same thing again. Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, head on over to the background, and then Ctrl+V. Ctrl+V to paste it, and then you can just move it as you want along the back. And now as you can see in the right side, there's the Layer tab. Now this helps you to edit different layers. Now as you can see, I'm on a different layer, so I'm only going to be able to move around that stuff. So now this image cannot display over the smiley face, so I'm just gonna bring the smiley face down in the Layers tab, and now as you can see, the click button can appear over the thing. So you can play around with that, and when you're done with the thumbnail, just go ahead and save from the file menu. Save the image for the best quality, and then you can just save it to whatever destination you want. And then I'm just going to have to rename it, so I'm just going to rename it to thumbnail, and then just go ahead and save the picture. Now the picture has been saved, as you can see on the desktop. You can go ahead and preview it, but that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. We are the Subverters. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.